Hi everyone, welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Joanne, and in this tutorial, I will show you a simple way to convert kilograms to pounds in Excel. Let's get started. It's important to know that there are multiple ways of converting kilograms to pounds in Excel, but here we will focus on a basic and easy method. We will use this table as an example to demonstrate how it's done. Here, we have numbers written in column A, which represents kilograms. Thanks to an easy formula, we can convert this kilogram number to pounds, and the result will appear in column B. First, click on the cell in which the result should be displayed. Let's select cell B2 for our first calculation. Next, find the equal key and press it. This is a signal to Excel that you want to enter a formula in the cell. Now, type convert and select it. Then click on the cell that contains the kilograms number we want to convert. In this case, it's cell A2. We now want to add a comma. As you can see, Excel offers us a list of different conversions. We want to convert kilograms to pounds, so we will add kg in quotation marks. The kg represents kilograms. Again, let's add a comma. Now we want to tell Excel what we want to convert our number into. Excel again offers us a list of different potential conversions. We want to convert our number to pounds, so we will add LBM in quotation marks. The LBM represents pounds. You have just told Excel to convert the number in cell B2 from kilograms to pounds. Let's now add a closing bracket, hit enter, and you're done. The result is available at once, but there's more. If you need to convert the numbers in rows 3 and 4, click on the cell containing the formula we just created, which is cell B2. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a cross symbol. Then use a left click to drag the formula down through the rest of the rows. And there you have it. You've managed to convert the numbers in all 3 rows. Is this your first time with me? I'll be more than happy to welcome you to our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join us, and learn how to use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.